Hey everyone, tired of that small sound that comes out of your laptop? It's time to add this portable USB computer or laptop speaker with stereo sound and enhanced bass by Lilengren. Now, coming in at only 11.36 ounces, it is very portable but packs some great sound for your laptop. Included in the box is a user guide and a speaker. The speaker has a built-in USB cable that is 3.3 feet long. For all you audio buffs out there, the impedance is 4 ohms. It has built-in 3-watt high excursion drivers for full range audio. Frequency response is 140 Hz to 20 kHz. Enhanced bass with passive radiator. It is plug and play and very easy to use. It's compatible with all Windows laptops and computers and is also compatible with some Mac and Chrome OS laptops. To demonstrate, I will plug it into my laptop's USB port. It will automatically install the drivers. Now I will click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select USB speaker as my computer playback device. Now I will open some music and play. Just listen to how good the audio is. I can change the level using the same speaker icon on the bottom right, or I can adjust the volume in whatever program I am using. The speaker isn't just great for music either. Anything you play on your laptop will come out on this little but powerful USB speaker. So get your portable USB computer or laptop speaker with stereo sound and enhanced bass by Lilengren today.